How to set timer on a Canon camera. Well, hello everybody, welcome to the channel. Let me go through quick and easy and
How to set timer on the Canon camera. And first you have
to locate the button. Now if you head over here towards this particular button options where you can see the navigation buttons here, you'll find this little timer icon here.
you can see here
Let me zoom it in real quick for you guys. So you can see here little timer icon with this stacked rectangles or square here.
so in my case it's this
Button. So
you want to see the screen like here. But if I press on it here now,
you can see here drive mode will pop up. Now once drive mode pops up,
if you
head over here towards you'll get the self timer option for 10 seconds and you'll get the self timer for 2 seconds. You'll also get continuous self timer, so you can set it from here. So it's as simple as it is. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe as well.